Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve my heatless curls with just 5 flexi rods. And I'm going to go in with my Lotta body foaming mousse. Right now, I am just combing through my hair to remove any shed hairs. And I really love doing this style. It's a good way to revamp your silk press or your blowout. A good way to add that body into your hair so your hair's not just super flat. But I am going in and I'm just basically twisting my hair around the flexi rod. And what I do, so I do have a side part. So on the side where I have less hair, I always do a left side part. So on the side that I have less hair, I'm just going to go in with 2 flexi rods like you see in the clip. And then it's also important to add some extra mousse to your very ends to make sure that that sets and that part's not like super straight. When you take out the flexi rod, you want to make sure that part sets properly and curls properly. So I'm going to go in on the other side, and this is where I'm going to do my 3 flexi rods. So just doing the exact same thing, winding my hair around the flexi rod with the mousse and then adding extra mousse to the ends. And this is a super fast style. You don't necessarily have to do this overnight. I do like to do this overnight because the curl will set better. But if you have 2-3 hours, you can definitely achieve this in 2 hours. So I'm all done with curling my hair with the 5 flexi rods. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and let this set for about 2 hours and come back and show you the results. So once those 2 hours are up, I'm just going to undo the flexi rods, being very careful. And you see that I have that nice little wave there. If you let this sit overnight, it's gonna like set even better, but this definitely does the job. It still looks really good. It really gives your hair that extra little something instead of just, flat. And I did actually get caught up in some rain the other day. It's been raining here and my hair did get a bit frizzy, so just trying to revamp that hair before I wash it. I am gonna wash it in a few days, so just wanted to get a few more days out of my hair and to just do a cute little style, which I've done this style many a times. A lot of you ask me how I get curls in my hair in some of my videos, and this is exactly how I do it, is with flexi rods. You can use any size that you want. You can even use bigger flexi rods, but this is how I like to curl my hair. And I am just going to go in with my pick just to pick out the roots for a little bit extra volume and to give it that, a little bit more oomph, a little bit more wow. Then I'm going to go in with my main choice hairspray and just lightly spray my hair just to help it set a little bit more, since I did this in 2 hours and not overnight. This is pretty much it. This is the final results. Super cute. Hope that you all try this out. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.